Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited that I've been monetized, of course, after about 6 months. So that is fantastic. I'll share that video for you, how I did that. But for now, I have figured out that I actually have a copyright claim. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So just bear with me for a second. All right, so as you can see here, this is channel copyright. So it says there's a match found. It says intermittent fasting, weight loss, what should I eat? That's kind of my title. The person that is saying that it's 100% their video, as you can see here, is called Weight Loss Secrets. Now, if you go into that one, I want you to show you this. I'm going to click on it. Right, so here I've opened it up. There you can see my picture. They have used, it's someone from the United States. You can see Weight Loss Secrets, intermittent fasting for weight loss. How, if I help losing weight, intermittent fasting, lose 10 kgs. I mean, clearly you can see some of this wording was sort of cut and pasted. But you can see, guys, this is me. And here is the proof that this is the exact same video as mine.
Pearl again, back with that video.
Listen to that.
Pearl again.
Hi guys,
with that video that
Pearl again. That's me, and all my videos will start like that. So this is Weight Loss Secrets. This is me, and this is the video they've stolen. I've now opened up my channel. You can see there's Pearl. There is my title. There's 301 views. I have 18 likes. But I want you to take notes of the beginning of this video so that you know they use the exact same video.
And back with that video that I promised. Pearl again.
Hi guys, Pearl again, back with that video. As I said, this is what I would always use. And look at all the comments that I have on my video. That shows that it's actually my video from here. So it is crazy. And theirs was published 22nd. Mine was published 8th of December. So that is already proof there. You can see that this is my video and it was published before theirs. Guys, here we are back in their channel. Like I said, remember, you could see mine was on the 8th, theirs is on the 22nd of December. So now what do you do if you find that someone has stolen your video? Now, if you come to the bottom line of the bit over here, you get to those little 3 dots. You press on that one and you press report. When you get here, a little board will come up like this. You're going to tick on infringement. So if we tick here, it says copyright, privacy, or legal complaints, infringing on my rights, and then you will open up and there'll be a copyright issue. You go next, it brings you up to this one. It then says submit a copyright takedown request. So you'll click on that and a form like this will come up. What you're going to do is add your video in here. All right. As you can see, I filled in my information. The relationship is obviously it's you, the owner, all your personal information. You'll clearly tick all of these and take it down immediately. You sign your name and you submit. Once you have done that, you will go to once you have submitted, you go to your email and you'll find that they would have sent you an email stating that they have received your complaint. So now we wait for YouTube to come back to me with regards to how they will resolve this. Hopefully they will take down this person's channel because clearly they are taking other people's content and using it as their own. So if this is happening to you, let me know. Give me a like, write down in the comment and tell me if your dispute was resolved and how long it took, and so other people can also kind of get an idea of what this is all about. So guys, thanks again for checking in, and I hope my video helped. Cheers, see you next time.